Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to cook beef caldereta, a beloved Filipino stew. First, marinate about 2 pounds of beef cubes in a mixture of 1/4 cup soy sauce and the juice of 2 calamansi for at least 30 minutes. Next, in a large pot or Dutch oven, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium-high heat. Sear the marinated beef in batches until beautifully browned on all sides. This crucial step builds a deep, rich flavor foundation for our stew. Now, let's build our flavor base. In the same pot, add 1 tablespoon more oil if needed, then sauté 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 large chopped onion, and 1 diced red bell pepper until they are fragrant and softened, which takes about 5 minutes. Stir in 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and cook for another 2 minutes to intensify its flavor. Then, add 1/4 cup of liver spread, mixing it well to create a creamy, savory foundation for the sauce. Getting started with Adobe on your phone is straightforward. First, simply download your desired Adobe application from your phone's app store, whether it's for iOS or Android. Next, sign in using your Adobe ID to unlock all cloud features and synchronize your projects across devices. Take a moment to explore the intuitive, touch-friendly interface designed for ease of use. Leveraging cloud storage ensures your creative work is always accessible, no matter which device you are using. For the grand finale, let's add the finishing touches. Stir in 1 cup of green peas and 1/2 cup of grated cheddar cheese, allowing the cheese to melt and thicken the sauce slightly. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. Remove the bay leaf before serving. This rich, savory beef caldereta is best served hot, alongside a generous portion of steamed white rice. Enjoy this comforting and flavorful dish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.